Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to break into a car. No, just kidding. I'm going to show you how to unlock a car that's already been locked and you left the key inside, okay? These are the tools that I am using. A car antenna. And now what you want to do is you want to twist it at the end. A pair of pliers if you want. And a flathead screwdriver. Now, the main idea is you're gonna this car is locked. You're gonna open up this thing. You're gonna hold it up with this, and then you're gonna enter this, and you're gonna try and get the knob to unlock it. Okay, so the main idea is we're gonna try and get this thing in here. Once we have that, then we enter this thing. So this is what I got. I had to get me a one of these wrench tools so I can hold it, and then the antenna is between the screwdriver and the tool. And I'm gonna switch it around to show you what I do from the inside, so that you can see. Here we go. I'm gonna go on the other side and just show you what you need to do. That's it. Thank you for watching. Now I got some tips for you. Since this is an antenna, pretty much, when I was in there, I twisted this so that I could turn it to the exact height, because this is basically a GAR antenna, and you can shape it to whatever shape you need it to do. And you want to go in here with your screwdriver and another. I had to get another tool. I had to get this to pry it, so pretty much. But you get the concept. And not all cars are the same. So some are easier than others. And another tip, if you don't want to damage your car, you can use wood to hold the door jamb. That's pretty much my pointer. Okay.